Hey, Forex baddies. So today I want you to look at this, all right? So, what we do is actually try to train the eye of beginners, right? So I want to train your eye on something, which is really kind of cool to help you increase your profitability, decrease your losses, most definitely. And of course, you still need to set your stop losses and your take profit areas, okay? But I want you to look at this. I'm actually on the monthly chart, all right? So with this monthly chart, this is a doji. So what does a doji mean, right? A doji means indecision in the market. So that means the opening and the closing are basically the same, right? So this is a monthly chart. So this doji, opening and closing, is for a 30 or 31 day time frame, right? Right. Okay. So price had some movement up, price had some movement down. All right. And so you can see the little flicker. I'll insert another flicker here. But yeah, you can see the flicker because I've been watching this for a while. It's just flickering up and down. And I thought just like, hey, what's going on with these candles, all right? So, but I want you to see this. All right, so this is the monthly time frame. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and draw a box around this area. Let's see. Do that, okay? I'm going to lock it so we can keep that, right? And we're just going to make that big. So this is our doji, up and down, decision, indecision, all right? And so let's go to the daily time frame and look at this. All right, so what do you actually see? Do you see consolidation? That's what I see. I see where price is moving from here to here to here. Do you see that? It is consolidation on the lower time frames. So how can this price movement help you be a profitable trader? All right. So by you knowing that price is moving between this area, these two areas, this is your supply area up here, your demand zone down here. How does this assist you? It's the knowing that price is currently moving in a sideways motion instead of actually moving in a trend, such as a bullish trend moving up this way or moving in a bearish trend, all right? So of course, usually when we see a sideways motion, we want the breakout most definitely so that we can capitalize on the actual trend. But what if it's moving sideways for a whole month? How do you actually benefit from that? You benefit from knowing, hey, it's moving up to this area here, which is our resistance area, and it's moving down here, which is our, support, right? So price is exhausting at our resistance and support areas, which is our supply and demand zones, all right? So we can actually wait and see what's going to happen in the market. More than likely, this area right here is going to move up to here. All right, since it's been doing it like for multiple days, all right, close to monthly, it's the monthly chart we're looking at. And then it's going to move back down here. So we can actually make sure that we pay attention to our reversal candles. See this reversal? This was a bearish engulfing here. All right. And you had this over here. You had some spinning tops down here. And so you had two spinning tops. And this is a larger candle than this one. So you can say that was a harami or a harami, which is mommy and baby. So the second candle is smaller than the second, and they are two different colors, all right? So remember your reversal candles and also remember the colors, all right? So you need to know which color comes first, if there was a color change, that sort of thing, all right? And then you also had your pin bars, which also lets you know that there's exhaustion in the market as well. All right, so you want to make sure that you pay attention to all of those things so that you can be a more profitable trader, most definitely, okay? All right, and the other thing, because you have the expectation that it's going to reach this area, which is your resistance zone, you can actually place your take profit up here or at this area right here. Let's look at a lower time frame. So we can actually see that. See? We're actually on the hourly chart right now. And that is a lot. That's a lot. All right. So we see that this was one of the main areas right here where price exhausted. We did have a candle that was lower down here. but mainly it did stay within this box area. All right. It did remain in that box area. So you can also always set your buy limits or your sell limits to make sure that you're within a trade when it's entering into this area, since there is so much consolidation taking place within the month. Okay, because this is a lot of candles, right? And price really moved, but it moved within that area. All right, so I want you to really focus on your strategy and also practice, just continuing to practice. All right. And also back testing. All right. So that is what you would need to do. But I hope this video was something that was beneficial for you on today. So you can start off with this doji and see where price is going, most definitely. And, and just watching price. And so continue to practice and increase your profitability and decrease or minimize your losses, because profitability matters more. Yeah. All right, because we want to take our profit and go home, most definitely. This is Ladybug FX and the Forex Baddies. So you can find us at forexbaddies.com or ladybugfx.com. Have a good one. All right, see ya. Bye.